What's up, guys? I'm in the van with my boy, and we are on our way to what was it called? Motor Speedway Resort? Houston. There we go. Alright, got the bikes all loaded up in the back. Old piece of shit van. Still got it going. And I will see y'all when we get there. Marcus in front of us, he's leading the way. Alright, we done made it. I got Tink Tink over here, unstrapping the bike. I got Marcus doing Marcus things. And we are setting up. Sweet. So we're gonna ride tomorrow, see how everything goes, and hopefully have a good time. All right, talk to y'all tomorrow. Yeah, boy, you got the bikes up in here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are set up in beautiful Texas. I wish I was in that RV, but van life, baby. All about the van life.
You only put it on your ride?
I'm gonna show y'all our little area. This here is Marcus's living quarter, our living quarters. Here you got them. And now, good morning, guys. It is track day today. Woke up hella early this morning and got the bikes inspected and the registration completed, and yeah. All right, guys, we just got done with like the safety brief and all that stuff, and Marcus is already out on the track, and we're gonna head out on the track in like 20-ish minutes. They're doing 30-minute sessions, so man, it's gonna be long, but maybe I can film you. Oh boy, looks like so much fun. Now look at this. What would we do without cell phones? Not a damn thing. Whoa. Whoa. He's like, what the fuck? Gonna have this track ride, I guess, to get to know the track, and then it's gonna start at some point. Slept like shit in the van though, I ain't gonna lie. My ankle's been killing me, but excited, excited, excited. As y'all see, the N stands for not a beginner. Yeah, so everything's good. All right, so my drone doesn't have audio, so I didn't want to bore y'all with, just no sound. So here you see the track. This is a Motor Speedway Resort in Houston. Nice track, perfect for bikes. Except, if you have a leader bike, track might be a little bit too slow. But like for a small displacement or a 600cc, it's awesome. It is an awesome track. I learned a lot from this first track day. Super stoked to go out. Met a lot of cool people. And I was just playing around. You see like all the camping and stuff like that. This was basically the pit straight. Where basically the start is at that first turn. Where that dude on the bottom is, that's the pit. Really a lot of fun. And like you can carry so much speed into those turns. I wanted to film with my GoPro. Oh yeah, this was us just hanging out. Met this other guy from Austin. Showed up a little bit late with his buddies, just talking shit. Tried to hit him in the head. Almost slammed into the wall. Yeah, I'm not a certified drone pilot. This was one of my favorite parts of the track. Also a lot of fun. I mean, if the experienced riders, they carry so much speed through this back corner. It is insane, insanely fun. Oh, y'all hear something in the background. That's just my dog chewing on her toy. Yeah, this is more views of that angle. I think this was the intermediate group that I was filming. Like I said, I want to film with my little knockoff GoPro, but for some reason, when I downloaded the videos to my phone, it was like all in slow motion. And I don't know, I couldn't get it to like normal speed. So sadly, I had to delete all that footage, which sucks, but lesson learned. I'm gonna buy a little bit better camera, probably a GoPro, and then not have to worry about that issue again. So, also gotta say, if you've never been on a track, I know it's expensive, but just go ahead and do it. Just one time. One time. You learn so much. Like, insanely much. Like, how should I explain it? You read a lot about motorcycle and how to ride fast, and you're on the street, and you think you're implementing everything that you learn, that you hear about, that you read about. But then when you go on an actual track and implement it, you can actually implement it way better. And I mean, since the track I haven't ridden on the street, but I am 100% sure my street level went up quite a bit just by the track day. And I'm kind of hooked. I'm definitely going back. Just gotta work a little bit and get a nicer paycheck in and be able to afford it, because it is pricey-ish. Well, for me it's pricey. For my homeboy Marcus, it's pocket change. But yeah, this was where we were set up. After I took some of the stuff down, because it was the last day Me and Kenny didn't ride. It was only Marcus, but I thought I was gonna get some shots in from Marcus. Yeah, look at him, fast boy. Got promoted to expert level. Hell yeah, bro. That's what's up. Congratulations. Awesome guy, good rider. Learned a lot from him. Like, really, he's one of the people. He's telling me a lot of stuff about how to ride, what to do, and I try to implement it on the street, and I think I'm doing a good job. But then, you know, I get on the track, and you know, some corners he would watch over me, and I'm like, oh, dude, yeah, I brake at that point, and he's like, what you mean you brake? Just don't brake. Just go in that corner. It's really fast. And I'm like, okay. And then, you know, I go again, and yeah, dude, he was fucking right. It's a fucking fast ass corner. It's if you have somebody like that to go to the track with, even better. But even if not, like, the ridesmart motorcycle school was this organization we went here, and these people are also hella cool. If you got any questions, you know, they're all super experienced riders. Most of them, you know, raced at some point in their life. A wealth of knowledge. Like, you can just pick their brain, and amazing people. Definitely going back to ride with them for sure. All right, so this was the pit straight. I'm trying to figure out if I remember what group that was. Pretty sure it's novice. Yeah, it's a lot of people. It's novice group. I was trying to get like a decent angle. Nah, Marcus is going out.
He's probably coming off the track. They only got about 13 minutes left.
True.
Unless he's being told to follow. That dude's being told to